Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable eye comfort shield or night light in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After that scroll down a bit, then go to display option. From here scroll down again and go to eye comfort shield. Night light and eye comfort shield are same settings, so just tap here to enable this option. Then allow your location, then just select it and then go back. Now here you can see two options, custom and adaptive, but I suggest you to set custom. Just select it, then you can customize your eye comfort shield. From here you can set schedule. Just tap on schedule option. You can see three options, always on, sunset to sunrise and custom, but I suggest you to set sunset to sunrise. You can also increase or decrease your night light color temperature, and by removing the slider you can set any level as you like. And that's it. And that is how you can enable eye comfort shield or night light in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.